So my parents, I think only because of them, I could able to push myself harder.
Saber fencer C.A. Bhavani Devi, who created history by becoming the first Indian fencer to qualify for the Olympics, credited her parents for the success. She said, I was able to push myself harder because of my parents. During a virtual media interaction facilitated by the Sports Authority of India, she also spoke on how she was coping with the preparation for the Tokyo Olympics.
Yes, so it was really difficult at the beginning of my career, and all I thought was to try my best to go to Olympics. So, and my family supported me a lot, and I know it is not easy for everyone to get the same support and to get self motivated all the time to continue the sport or continue what their passion. But I'm lucky to have a very supportive and encouraging family. And yes, my parents, they worked really hard to get funds and to let me compete in international competitions and let me travel alone from the age of 17. So it was difficult, but I'm happy that I have overcome all those situations, and here I'm going to play in Olympics. So yeah, just thankful to my parents. So my parents, I think only because of them, I could able to push myself harder to overcome all those situations, because I was always feeling down and feeling low, and I was not able to work better. I was not able to push myself to go to move forward. But my parents, especially my mother, she always uh, speaks encouraging words. She always says, no matter what, just do your best. Keep on doing. If today is not good, tomorrow it will be better. Just keep trying your best. And if you are uh, giving 100% effort, you will definitely get the result. So that's why I could able to continue myself, and that's why I able to push myself harder and accepting all those difficult phases. And yes, and even during all the tough situations, they never told me to quit the sport. Only I decided around in 2014 to 13 to stop playing the sport, but they never told me about it. They always told me to continue the sport no matter what. If you love to do, if you are ready to work hard, just go for it. Don't worry about the results. So yes, this Olympics is going to be a very special day for me. The day I fence on the Olympics day event, and I'm looking forward to do my best performance, because I think this is going to be the first time where at least most of the Indians will watch fencing and will watch me play my match. So I just want to do my best performance in front of them, and it's going to be very less number of fences. So usually in World Cups and Grand Prix, so there are like 180 or 200 fences participates in women category. In Olympics, it's going to be only 34. So it's going to be a very intense situation, and of course, it's Olympics. So it's a very important competition for all of these 34 fences. So we don't know for sure with whom we will be fencing. So either it depends on, either if I have to fence with number 4, it can be number 4 or number 5, only for the event. But I'm because I'm ready to fence with all, so everyone is equal, everyone is very competitive. And I think most of them all already been to Olympics. So I'm happy to represent my country. I'm proud and honored to represent our country in fencing for Olympics, and I just want to do my best.